Hey, how's it going everyone? Welcome back to another video. I just got back from a little mini vacation up to the UP. Had a great time up there. It was awesome. But now it's time to get back to work. And I figured what better place to do it than at the thrift store. Haven't done a thrifting video in a while, so let's see what we find. I actually feel like I haven't been thrifting in forever. Okay, look, sale prices, blue, yellow, pink. All right, and it looks like they've stocked up quite a bit since I was in here last. Oh, here we go. Look at this over the electronics. That is a Dreamcast controller right there. And it's got the memory card up top. However, it's held together by duct tape. I wonder if that bottom's broken. Oh yeah, there's a big old crack right there. Someone must have slammed this down when they lost to their little brother or something. Ooh, but look at this right next to it. That's a rare score. That's a Sega Saturn right there. Sega Saturn Fight Stick, MK-80112. And it looks like it was marked down 1859, but it's written on there 859. If that's 859, I think I'm gonna grab it. I never see Sega Saturn stuff in the wild anymore. Ooh, look at here, a little North Face bag. That's nice. It's a little Jester. Where's the price tag on this guy? 23 bucks. No, thank you. However, right next to it, a little LL Bean bag. That might be worth it. That's all leather, it feels like. Yeah, there we go. Look inside that LL Bean bag. It's called an Amari bag. I think $5 is probably going to be worth it. That light is annoying. Keeps going on and off. Look at that. What the heck? Here's a little New With Tags Wednesday backpack. Wednesday Addams. Feels pretty cheap in quality though. I think I'll pass. Actually, I think I'm going to pass on the rest of that. Let's see what else we got. Yo, who remembers Homeward Bound? That was a sad movie. That's a traumatizing movie for a child. So was Fox and the Hound, actually. Oh, and then Land Before Time. Who could forget them? They actually got quite a few bangers back in here. I always look through these clamshell movie cases just in case I find one of the rare ones. Most of these aren't worth much, but there are some rare ones like My Neighbor Totoro. That's a good one to look for. And then also, if you ever find Cars on VHS, that's another really, really good thing to look out for. I've actually been lucky enough to find Totoro a few times. It's not a huge score, it's like 25 bucks, you know, but Cars is a huge score on VHS. I've never been able to find it just yet, but it is one of those items that's on my thrifting bucket list, and hopefully one day I'll get lucky and come across it, because it is a very, very nice score. Is that weird? Am I the only one who has a thrifting bucket list? Like a list of things that I want to find, even if I might not be like super interested in them. They might not be in my niche, like Cars on VHS for me, or like I really want to find a Scotty Cameron putter. I don't know, I just have like a list of things I would like to find sometime out at thrift stores or at an estate sale or yard sale or something. Let me know if you have something like that down in the comments. Okay, I think I'm about good down here in the hard goods. Let's go upstairs and check out some of the clothing. Alright, today's not a restock day, but who knows, we might find something. Might be a little bit of slim pickings. It's usually pretty picked through right after the weekend. It actually looks like they're starting to load up on a bunch of the fall and winter stuff. A lot of long sleeves, a lot of hoodies, a lot of jackets along the back, so I'll take my time here a little bit. Oh, and look here, check it out, not too far in. Got a little Patagonia vest right here. It's only priced at $5.59. Not a huge score right there, but that's probably 20-25 bucks. Add it to the cart. And I am seeing a few other brands in here that I normally would like to pick up, like actually like Peter Millar right there, but the prices, $10.95, just don't make sense, so I'm having to pass on them. And in case you haven't seen me shop here before, this is a like for-profit thrift store. It's a resale store. They buy stuff in bulk, like buy the bales and buy the pallets and then put stuff out, so it's not all donations here. So they do have a margin to make, which makes their prices a little bit higher than a normal thrift store, but they go through a lot of inventory. And while some of their prices are high and they look stuff up, sometimes they miss a piece or two, like this guy. This is an invert paintball jersey. It is brand new with tags right there down bottom. And I just saw a used comp for this for 25 bucks. And this one's brand new, so it'll go for even more than that. They got it priced at $9. I'll take it. All right, here's something that I'm always looking for. Cashmere pieces. You can see this one is Club Room. Not the greatest brand, but cashmere stuff usually tends to sell right between 20 and 30 bucks, no matter what, depending on the brand. Some of it sells for a lot more. However, what you gotta look for are little pinholes like that, because cashmere is extremely prone to getting pinholes. So unfortunately, I'm gonna put this one back. I'll hang that up in a second. But cashmere is definitely something to look for when you're out at the thrifts. They're easy money. Okay, so here's something else that I tend to look for, and that's popular YouTubers merch. This is Tommy Innit. He's a pretty popular gaming YouTuber. You can see this one's from PogChamps, which is an event that went down, and it's only priced at $4.79. And what makes that even better is pink tags are half off today, so that's only like a $2 piece, and it's worth like 25 to 30 bucks, right around there. Ooh, what do we got here? A little Peter Millar V-neck. It's a merino wool V-neck, good condition, and that's only going to be $4. That's a snag or two in the basket. And actually, check it out. Over here we got another vest. This is a Victorinox, which is also known as Swiss Army. It's only $7.99 today, and that's probably another 25-30 bucks. A lot of these today, $25-30 items. All right, I was gonna look through all the jackets and stuff, but they are a mess right now, and I really don't feel like digging through all that. So I think we're gonna call it there with this basket of goodies. All right, there we go. That is a successful trip to our first stop of the day. Our total ended up being $38.29 for everything that we got in the bag. Now let's move it on to the next stop. And here's our second stop of the day. This is a smaller thrift shop, but sometimes you can find some good stuff in the small ones, even if they don't restock as much as the others. Ooh, and check this out right here. This might be something. This looks like a heavy-duty waterproof housing, Icolite, and it's got some numbers right there. It's only $10.50. That's got to be worth $10.50. Some of these housings can go for some really good money depending on what camera they're made for. If the camera's still relevant, this might be a pretty dang good find. So I'm gonna look that one up. All right, check this out. I can't find that exact one on here, but some of these Icolites are going for literally thousands of dollars. Like, look at this, $600, $1,359, $2,700. I'm gonna take a chance on this one. I'm gonna do a little more research, find out exactly what that's for. But this could turn out to be a huge score. Alright guys, I'm going to pop in here real quick. I got home and did a bit more research on this underwater housing. It turns out it's for a Canon PowerShot G15, and from what I can tell, there have been two that have sold on eBay recently. One went for $100 and the other one went for 450 bucks. There are none currently listed, so what I'm going to do is list mine high and hope for the best. I'm also seeing Rosetta Stone down here on the shelf, and this is something that a lot of new resellers get caught with, because they do seem like they go for a lot of money, but do not try and sell out on eBay. It will get you a bureau violation, and you do not want that on your account. And check it out, over here in the case they got a couple of video games, some PS1 stuff, nothing really catching my eye, but there is some other curious stuff in here. You got a Bushnell spotting scope, which is unusual for like a middle of a city type thing. Freedom Crypto mining setup. That's a little weird, 250 bucks on that. But the thing that's really catching my eye over here is this Netgear Nighthawk right here. It's brand new in the package right there. It hasn't been opened. And I just looked it up. It looks like it's going for like 60, 70 bucks. They only got it for 20.50, so I might end up grabbing that. Excuse me, can I get something out of the case? Is that sealed on the top? Yeah, cool. Yeah, I'll grab that. Thank you. No, that'll be it. Appreciate it. Okay, then check this out. Over here in the bag section, ended up finding this Thule backpack. Thule is a great brand. They do a bunch of like luggage racks and stuff like that. And their backpacks tend to go for a little bit of money. I don't see a price on this one, however. Oh, here we go. Small backpacks, $6.50. Large backpacks, $12.50. Hopefully this counts as a small one. I don't know. We'll see. Either way, I think that's going to be worth it. Alright, so check it out. Everything in the store, like clothing-wise, is flat price. So shoes are $12.50, short sleeves tank tops, $6.50, long sleeves are $8.50 over there. So everything's kind of all flat priced, except for the really expensive stuff. They do price up some stuff. But over here in the polos, I just found this Relwyn polo shirt right here, which is $6.50 today. So it is short sleeve, and that is like a $30 brand. So that's definitely coming home with us. Oh, and check this out. End of summer clothing, buy one, get one sale. T-shirts, tank tops, shorts, buy one, get one free. Includes individually priced items. I'm definitely buying some more. I at least get one more. Okay, I couldn't really find anything else that I wanted to grab as my second item, my free item. But I found this pair of Bonobos golf shorts. Not bad. I'm going to take them. They're free. They're probably about 20 bucks. Okay, check this out right here. It says free, 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 free. So I'm assuming it's free. It's a Sunset Fitness board. And it's like a balance board, surfboard type thing. You can see there's like these squishy balls on the back that you try to balance on. I think it might be missing one right here, but it's free. And I looked it up online. This thing's going for like 700 bucks. That's insane. It obviously isn't in the best shape, you know. Some of this stuff is coming off, but That is a pretty good deal. I feel like it's still worth it. You probably sell the board just by itself for a decent profit, but I don't have the means to move this right now. It won't fit in my car for sure, and I don't got the space to store it either, so I think I'm gonna have to pass on this. All right, unfortunately, I'm not seeing anything else that I want to grab over here in the boutique section, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and just call it with this basket. Okay, another stop in the bag. Again, nothing too crazy at that store. Some more bread and butter items. I'm hoping that that camera case ends up being the best find of the entire day. I do wish I could have picked up that balance board thing, that surfboard balance board thing, but it was definitely not fitting in the back of this car right now, and my trunk is full from vacation, so I still have to unload it. So that's a little bit of a missed opportunity there. I think it would have been something that I could have easily taken up to Play It Again Sports and got at least a little bit of money for it. I obviously wouldn't have got the full price of it because it was missing like one of those balls and stuff, but there was still definitely some value there. So a bit of a missed opportunity on that one. But anyways, hopefully you guys all enjoyed this little thrift vlog style video. Last time I did a style video like this, you guys seemed to enjoy it, so hopefully you enjoyed this one as well. Otherwise, I don't got much more. I'm gonna go home, list some stuff, and get some orders packed. So I hope to see you in the next one. Till next time, keep on treasure hunting. Peace.